Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the previous video where we talked about New Orleans and why it's called the Big Easy. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test with some questions. Is New Orleans located in Louisiana? Yes. New Orleans is a city in the state of Louisiana. Was the nickname the Big Easy first used in the 1800s? No. It became popular in the 1970s through a newspaper columnist. Did musicians in the early 20th century find it hard to get gigs in New Orleans? No. They found it easy to get work, which contributed to the nickname. Is New Orleans known for its French, Spanish, and African cultural influences? Yes, the city is a melting pot of diverse cultures. Is New Orleans famous for its jazz and blues music? Yes, it's considered the birthplace of jazz and home to vibrant music scenes. Does New Orleans host the famous festival known as Carnival? No, the festival is called Mardi Gras. Is the Big Easy a nickname that reflects the city's fast-paced lifestyle? No, it describes the city's relaxed and laid-back atmosphere. Was New Orleans' nickname inspired by New York City's nickname, the Big Apple? Yes, it was a playful comparison between the two cities. Is New Orleans known for its modern skyscrapers and technology hubs? No, it's known for its historic architecture, culture, and traditions. Has New Orleans maintained its spirit despite challenges and natural disasters? Yes, the city remains resilient and full of life. Remember to watch this video multiple times to reinforce your learning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the next videos in this amazing series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.